So you got your turkey call. Now it's time to figure out how to make some noise with it. The very first step, and I know I talk about this a lot, is that call placement. A lot of people get hung up on this. It's a little bit counterintuitive with that shape, but you're going to want it to be facing out. Best thing to look at is the cut right there. That's going to be on the top. And your tab, little bump, that's going to be on the bottom. So put that little bump, the tab, on your tongue. Place it in the roof of your mouth. Just like that. Good luck.